Hello on Monday, 13th of May, new Bitcoin update. The daily chart is not showing a lot. You can already see we have quite a bounce this morning. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and a small repeat of what I was looking at, recap of what I was looking for last week. So we had that bounce from 56,000. Last week we came down. I was expecting a bounce from this area. That happened. It all looked good first day Friday, but then Friday afternoon, boom, down, and destroying my dreams for that bounce. But for now, it looks that we only swept these lows, and surprisingly, this morning I was looking at this bearish flag, and I was to be honest with you, I was looking at a breakdown, and it started pumping this morning. In no time we have $2,000 more for Bitcoin, and I marked this zone out. So this morning in our group I said I can see this playing out. That is the most bullish scenario. Even when I look at Ether, I would even say, let's have a quick look at Ether, that scenario I gave you 2 weeks ago is still in play. And so this is the correct coming down, corrective bounce, and make the move towards 2,500. And as it looked this morning, it broke down, and I was like, well, looks like we still go for that move, and that this is only coming from a bit higher. Going back to Bitcoin, I said, well, the most bullish case would be that we break down here and do this A, B, C towards the green box, hold the lows at 56,000 and continue higher from there. That's the most bullish case. That's the most bullish case. Otherwise, we could even do this. Let me show you. A, B, C towards the lower 50,000. But while talking, we are going up, and that's also what I said in my morning update to the group. If we break this level, so where that dump started on Friday, if we break it and I see a corrective pullback after that break, then I would turn bullish for upside again. As long as we are below this level, I'm looking for that move. But yeah, very impulsive move this morning. We are about to break that this lower high, and that would mean a change of structure. It's a break out of the structure, the lower time frame, let's say 1 hour bearish structure, and we're getting pretty close to that break. Not yet, but a whole different situation as this morning, where I said, well, this is the lower time frame expectation, but if we break here and a corrective pullback, then we just continue where we were on Friday, and that was over here. Look, we are at the same level already. Could be that we are now just hitting supply and coming down, but given that pump here, either that is the start, or let's say the continuation from where we ended here last Friday, or it is a trap, go here into supply and still make that move. Quick look at order depth. I did see a warning. Well, this is good. Spot versus pairs. You can clearly see in white, spot is picking up here, and it's definitely buying. That's a good sign. This move higher is not only driven by pairs. That is good. We are running into a bit of supply here. You can see. This is also where Friday you can see a diamond alert for coming down. That happened. Diamond alert for a bounce. That is playing out now. But now running into some supply. We have to break that, and then would mean that we also break that that bearish structure here. So eyes on this. A slow pullback would mean continuation where we ended, where the dump started Friday, and that we continue going higher. Until then, first level would be 58,000.